If you're wondering what makes Virgin Voyages' new Brilliant Lady so spectacular, allow me to tell you. She's not just a ship, she's a floating haven of adults-only fun and unforgettable experiences. Get ready to ditch the buffets and discover over 20 unique eateries, which are all included, from Korean barbecue to Italian to Mexican to a sophisticated steakhouse called The Wake. All the menus are curated by Michelin star chefs. From incredible immersive entertainment in the transformable Red Room Theater to late-night parties in the Manor nightclub, every moment is a performance. Brilliant Lady is designed for those who crave adventure, with onboard tattoo parlors, serene wellness spas, and innovative fitness classes like bungee workouts. This is your voyage, your rules, and your chance to sail brilliantly.
Time to tour the rooms here on Brilliant Lady. Let's go see what they look like.
For the solo traveler who wants to experience everything on the ship but on a budget, this is the perfect home base. Designed specifically for one person, this cozy cabin provides a comfortable and private retreat after a day of non-stop adventure. You get a full-size bed, a smartly designed bathroom, and all the tech-savvy features of a standard Virgin Voyage cabin. For the traveler who plans to spend their days exploring the ship and their nights on the dance floor, the Insider Cabin is the perfect choice. These cabins don't have a window, but they have a super cozy and efficient home base. They're smartly designed with Virgin's signature mood lighting where you can control the light right from the in-room tablet. The Insider Cabin is an excellent way to save on your fare while enjoying all the incredible things Virgin has to offer. You see that you have a nice-sized bathroom here for the solo traveler. It includes shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Now, if you're traveling with a small group of friends or family, the Social Insider Cabin is designed to maximize the fun and connection while still being budget-friendly. This unique interior cabin can sleep up to 4 sailors, featuring 2 twin beds that can be converted into a queen, plus 2 additional pull-down bunks. While there's no windows, the cabin is smart, of course, with the tech-savvy technology of the Virgin mood lighting system, the large screen to project movies and play games. The Social Insider is the ultimate crash pad for a group that plans to be out and about, and you have plenty of storage to fit everything that you might need, as well as the same size bathroom that we showed in the previous cabins. And you have plenty of space for all of your toiletries, as well as this rainhead shower. Now let's check out the Sea View cabins. This is your chance to get the classic ocean gazing experience. These rooms feature a nautical-inspired porthole window, giving you a beautiful view of the sea without the wind-blown hair. They're a great choice for those who want to wake up to the waves, but not necessarily needing a full balcony. I found this room to be extremely comfortable and surprisingly large for what it is, and you also get the same standard-sized bathroom that are featured in the other cabins. Now let's move on to the balcony cabins. On Virgin Voyages, they're known as Sea Terraces. If you truly want to connect with the ocean, you'll definitely want a Sea Terrace. This is the most common cabin on board, and for good reason. You're going to be able to enjoy the breeze, the sun. You're going to be able to see the water pass you as you're sailing into the beautiful Mediterranean or Alaska. You're going to see that you have the beautiful red hand-woven hammock. It's the perfect spot for enjoying morning coffee or an evening cocktail. And you'll enjoy all of the spacious amenities that come along with this room. You see you have a table there. Of course, you have the flat screen TV. You have ample storage. And this bathroom is actually a little bit larger than the bathrooms that you might find in the Insider cabins. So that's a nice little perk of having the Sea Terrace as well. You might be super excited about the Sea Terrace, but what if I told you that there's an extra large Sea Terrace? And here you can see one of the big differences. You're gonna get 30% more living space, which means a bigger seating area and more room to spread out. And the best part, well, you just saw it, a larger bathroom with a separate rain shower and toilet chambers, giving you that extra bit of luxury and convenience. It's perfect if you plan to spend a little bit more time in your room or just want some extra breathing room. But maybe you want even more space. Well, step into the cheeky corner suite and get ready to live in luxury. Located on the aft part of the ship, this suite is designed to give you some of the best views on board. It features a spacious bedroom, a stylish living area, and a massive balcony that wraps around the corner of the ship, offering panoramic 270-degree views of the wake and the horizon. As a Rockstar Quarter guest, you'll enjoy exclusive perks, including a dedicated Rockstar agent to help you with anything that you need, and even access to Richard's rooftop and a stocked in-room bar. This suite is perfect for those who want to live large and soak in every moment of the journey from their own private vantage point. The Suite Aft Suite is next, and it's located at the very center of the ship's stern. Its terrace offers a direct, straight-on view of the ship's wake, unlike the cheeky corner suite that offers back corner views, as well as a panoramic wide view. Now, the layout of this is a little bit more long and linear, where the cheeky corner suite has a slightly different interior and layout. Some folks have mentioned that the bathroom in this particular suite seems a little bit more elevated than the cheeky corner suite, but now let's take a look at this amazing aft balcony. It is super spacious, as you can see here. You get direct views of the wake from here, and then in addition to that coffee table, you have a dining table as well. So there's plenty of space for entertaining and relaxing on your voyage. Now it's time to get serious because we're about to enter the Seriously Suite, where sleek design meets rockstar comfort. This spacious one-bedroom suite features a separate living area, perfect for unwinding and entertaining. The luxurious bathroom, which I'll show you here in a minute, is absolutely incredible. You get a plush European king-size bed. You step out onto your private, expansive terrace, complete with a dining table and the signature red hammock. And remember, as a rock star, you get all of those VIP boarding experiences and access to Richard's rooftop. And take a look at this incredible marble bathroom. It is something that you have to see to believe. And if you're going to be on Brilliant Lady, why not be in the Brilliant Suite? This Brilliant Suite is elegant and spacious. It's a one-bedroom suite that's even larger than the previous suite. It offers a private sanctuary with its own living room, dining table, and plush European king-size bed. The luxurious marble bathroom features a rain shower and is really a sophisticated retreat. Step outside onto the expansive terrace with a complete separate lounging area for sunbathing and a dining table for dining al fresco. Now it's time to check out the Mega Rockstar Suites, starting with the Fab Suite, a perfect mix of rockstar swagger and spacious comfort. This suite boasts a large, separate living area, a private bedroom with a European king-size bed, and a sleek marble bathroom with a luxurious rain shower. The real highlight is the expansive terrace, your own private outdoor space perfect for sunbathing or enjoying a meal with an ocean view. And as a Mega Rockstar, you actually get additional benefits such as unlimited in-room bar access, complimentary bar tab, drinks included, unlimited thermal spa access, enhanced Wi-Fi, complimentary laundry and ironing, private transfers, and more. Let's take a look at the gorgeous suite, which is really truly the entry point to being a Mega Rockstar. While the Rockstar Suites like the Seriously Suite and Brilliant Suite are incredible, the gorgeous suite takes everything up a notch. It's significantly larger with a more spacious interior and a bigger terrace, and includes all of the Mega Rockstar amenities I mentioned previously. Now prepare for the ultimate rock and roll royalty experience in the massive suite. This is the largest and most extravagant cabin on board. This suite is designed for pure, unadulterated luxury with a sprawling layout that includes a spacious living area, a spacious separate bedroom with a plush king-size bed. Then you turn the corner and you have your own dedicated soaking tub, as well as plenty of space to store all of your clothing, all of your essentials, everything that you can possibly want and need for the ultimate vacation. And then you walk into this incredibly large marble bathroom with, of course, the stand-up shower, plenty of vanity space. It is true luxury living. In addition to that, You turn the corner, you go across the room, and you're gonna see a separate seating area that is decorated with all of these guitars, and it leads you out to the largest, most incredible balcony that you have probably ever seen on a cruise ship. This is a full-blown outdoor playground, complete with a private hot tub, a dining table, a sprawling lounge area with multiple sun loungers, and even a unique outdoor shower. It does not get any more plush. It does not get any more luxurious. It does not get any more rock star than this particular cabin. This is a true once-in-a-lifetime vacation suite. I hope you enjoyed this cabin tour of Brilliant Lady. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do a full inside walking tour.